Hello everyone, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am not cooking anything. I am just going to show you how to make homemade ginger garlic paste. So it's always good to make your own ginger garlic paste at home rather than buying the store-bought one, because what you buy ready-made from the store has a lot of vinegar and acetic acid in it, which would detract from the taste of your dish, which doesn't call for vinegar. So if you make your own ginger garlic at home, you could store it in the fridge and use it whenever you need it. So I'm just going to show you with like 200 grams of ginger, fresh root ginger, and 200 grams of garlic, which you need to peel and mix together with the chopped ginger and grind it in your mixie. This hardly takes like say 15 minutes of your time, and the dishes that you cook with your own homemade ginger garlic paste always taste better than what you buy ready-made from the stores. So come, I am going to show you how to make homemade ginger garlic paste today. So you would need around 200 grams of garlic and 200 grams of fresh ginger root. You clean the garlic, peel it, and you also peel your ginger and chop into small pieces. Then you put the ginger and garlic into a blender or a mixie jar. Add like quarter cup of water and just blend till smooth. Then you add a little more water if if the paste is too thick. So your homemade ginger garlic paste is now ready, which you could use for any of your dishes, and you could store in the fridge. So please like and share this video if you liked it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.